CFT road trip.
Colorado family travels. We are on the road again. This time we are going about an hour and a half north to Fort Collins, Colorado. We saw on a YouTube video from one of our friends, Wonderful World of Walter, we'll go ahead and put a link to their video, about the Fort Collins connection to Disney and Disneyland, mainly Main Street, USA. A gentleman named Harper Goff did a lot of design and work with Walt on the original design for Disneyland and a lot of the architecture. Some of the influences for that architecture are seen in Fort Collins. Wonderful World of Walter did a lot better research. They go a lot more into depth into that connection. So if you're interested in the Disney history part, please look at their video. Very good video. But we wanted to go check it out for ourselves. So here we go on the road trip to Fort Collins, Colorado. Gotta say, I love my GoPro Hero 8 and this time-lapse feature. Being able to do this on a drive for time-lapse was a lot of fun. Welcome to Fort Collins, Colorado. We are walking downtown district, looking at different stores, looking at the Disney connection. Yeah, it's just an old school candy store. Had to stop at Rocket Fizz. Candy cigarettes. Spider-Man or Jack Skellington?
Spider-Man.
Whatever.
Yay! Oh, look, we just fished.
And the fruit salad Marlboros.
Candy corn.
And we've never seen this passport mix before.
That looks good.
Oh, look at the I Love Lucy, Mom.
I love Lucy. Never heard of that.
Old Town Square, looks like there's a farmer's market today, so we're gonna go look at that. The architecture is starting to look a little familiar. Walking around this area, there are so many different sculptures, and we took a bunch of pictures and really just enjoyed this little area. Right now, with everything still going on, it's not that busy down there. Everyone was definitely social distancing, and we were able to just take our time and enjoy. This is going to be our stop for lunch. So decided to do a little tour, and I'm now down And the milling room for the craft beer. So they've got all their different ingredients down here. Milling grain is weighed, milled, and transported upstairs via a grain elevator. That's cool. The whole process of how they do their brews. Everything they have on tap. You got the fish and chips. The pub burger with waffle fries over there, dude?
Yeah, sweet potato fries.
Sweet potato fries over there. Jasmine.
I also got the pub burger and regular fries.
Nice.
Look at this.
Jack, what do you got over there, buddy?
I got I have a corn dog and some normal fries.
Nice. And Jordy?
Mac and cheese and good fries.
Mac and cheese and good fries. That works.
Did you want to top up on your?
It's so small. It's like a slider. It's so delicious.
Does it look like you only got lettuce and mayo that time?
I think the overall consensus for the table was that it was a good meal.
Thank you.
All the dates are empty. So on this side, so the pub is on the left and there's pool tables and pizza on the right side, I guess. This is really cool. So I don't think this is the emporium we're used to. We're not gonna find mouse ears in here. We don't think. Maybe. Cool pianos.
Well, they're all about people.
Oh. Or maybe these are the people that decorated them.
R1. Shock. Mulana?
Grandma.
So we are at Happy Lucky Tea House. And this is the design for the fire station. The old firehouse books.
1881.
Alright, so here's a better view of the firehouse. You just picture the windows with names on it. More of the structural designs. So cool. And of course, as we're walking through town, you find the hidden Mickeys.
There's also one right there.
Lots of hidden Mickeys in here. This is a little biking window.
That's so cute. Someone.
Alright, we are at the Union Pacific train station in downtown Fort Collins. Being right on the edge of downtown and a main focus from the streets. It's now a Rodizio Grill, but one of the inspirations for the Main Street train station, Union Pacific Railroad. All right, we are at Harper Goff Alley. This is a block off of Jefferson, right here on the corner. Just up from the train station in Jefferson. This is the Life of Harper Goff mural by Chris Bates. All kinds of little hidden details in here. All the projects that Harper worked on. Wonka Vision. just around the corner from the Mural. Old Town Churn ice cream. I love it. It looks like a churn ice cream bucket. That is so cool. Cute little district here with lots of little restaurants.
Okay, let's get one of the lemon doodles.
Lemon doodle?
This one right here, the lemon. Yes, please. Would you guys want that one too?
Oh yeah.
Okay. We'll get one of the white almond glazed sugar.
I am excited for this s'more. And this here Dirty Panda looks amazing. We took the cookie slide. They were delivered via the cookie slide. And the railroad tracks right down the middle of town. And as we're back at the car in the parking garage, we do have the marked parking spots like we do have Disney Springs. Very cool. Alrighty, we say goodbye to Fort Collins. That was an amazing little stop. We've been here about 2.5 hours, walking around downtown, just looking around. We're gonna extend this quick trip. We're gonna drive another half an hour and just go over the border into Wyoming, just to say we went. So,
yeah, and it's 91 degrees right now.
91 degrees out here, so we're all a little hot, but you know, we're this far north and we've actually never been to Wyoming. So Colorado Family Travels heads to Wyoming. Here we go. Cheyenne, Wyoming. We drove around a little bit, we took some pictures. We saw the Cheyenne Frontier Days Stadium. We drove by the Air Force Academy and saw some really big planes. And we stopped and bought pin to add to our pin board. Put a couple of those pictures in as I'm talking. Other than that, it was a fun trip. So now we're going to turn around and drive back down into Colorado for Colorado Family Travels. Actually, forget that. We're going to make one stop at the Welcome to Colorado sign. So that'll be fun. Remember to pull off to the side of the road this time and get the picture with the Welcome to Colorful Colorado sign. Great time had. Really enjoyed it. Fun to get up and see northern Colorado. As you're driving, there's these random buffalo artworks on the mountains, which is kind of cool. This is the weird sky as we're having wildfires all throughout Colorado, so kind of interesting to see on the way back. Thanks for joining us on this trip to Fort Collins and Cheyenne. And now for us, it's back to the rat race.